Hello, welcome to Libra, Philippines. So, reading ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Almost daily love reading. Love reading, guys, ha. Kung gusto mo ng personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto mo naman ng reading na, nakakoncentrate sa career, nakalagay naman yan sa mga title dun sa mga videos na in-upload ko, Libra Career. Ayan, kasi yung daily natin is love. So, anyway, let's start your reading, Libra. What do we have here for Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Main energy ni Libra. Wish is here, settlement. You do have your alien. I see this as dreams. So, may mga panaginip kang napapanaginipan, and I feel like there's a lot of meaning doon sa panaginip na yon. With the wish is here, yung iba yung panaginip might be has something to do sa mga bagay na gusto mo, or mga bagay na gusto ng taong nasa paligid mo. And maybe that includes you. Pwedeng may napanaginipan kang tao or particular person. Tapos, doon sa panaginip ninyo is might be, o sa panaginip mo is napanaginipan mo siya. Example lang to, this is not your dream, but maybe some of you ganito. And then, pwedeng this person hold your hand, or you knew that dun sa dream na yon, this person really do likes you. And pwedeng yun yung meaning niya, na parang in real life, itong taong ito really do likes you. Gusto ka talaga niya. But, with the ayan, back to the reading. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga taong gusto ka makausap, and then gusto mo magkaroon ng pag-aayos, like maybe yung iba may kinalaman sa negosyo, may kinalaman sa money, contracts, etc. This is your main energy. Maybe yung iba, lalo na kung hindi ko naman sinabi lahat, pero maybe has something to do with divorce paper, or kung nagkahiwalay na, anong dapat gawain, anong dapat pag-usapan regarding dito sa paghiwalay na ito. But you are hoping na maging maayos. Yan. Yung iba naman, maybe has something to do with business, career. Okay. Parang you're looking forward na magkaroon ng agreement sa inyo. Pwedeng hindi sa person na ito na kukunin natin yung energy, but maybe may kinalaman sa business, or career. Sino to person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love, Libra, main energy niya? Person na kakonect ni Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here obsession, family. Okay, so itong person na ito ay nakikita natin yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo, pero parang hindi pwede or bawal. I feel like gusto niyang maging part ka ng kanyang family. Pero hindi pwede, like maybe dahil sa kultura, tradisyon, relihiyon, or might be because of another person. Yung iba ganun. Pwedeng maybe there's another person, na involved sa connection. Pero nakikita natin, gusto kanya pero bawal. Kasi I'm seeing obsession here. Pero bago pa lang natin kunin yung main energy niya, I just saw the word like diabetes. So, pwedeng, alam mo yon hindi pwede. Gustuhin ko kumain itong matamis na ito, hindi pwede kasi I have diabetes. So, yung iba sa inyo, this person, gusto kanya pero alam niya sa sarili niyang hindi pwede. Okay, I can't have you. But I really do like you. Gustong gusto kita. And you do have your lost. So, may pagka-cut off na nagaganap dito sa person na ito. You see there's this drastic. And you will see the word cut off. Tapos, nandito rin naman yung lost wherein nandito rin naman yung word na cut off. So, pwedeng itong person na ito is kina-cut off ka or hindi nagiging communicative sa'yo because like what I've told you, gusto kanya pero hindi pwede. Okay? Ano yung emotion mo para sa person na ito? Sana nakaka-relate ka. Searching is here. So, financial support. Sa kaya wala ka kasi pakialam sa person na ito. I feel like you are more focused sa mga online na ginagawa mo ngayon. Like, maybe online jobs, online career, online stuff. Like, maybe if your business is online, ayun, pwedeng you're focused on that. And some of you, yan, regarding finances. So, nandito yung focus mo. You could be dealing with your twin flame, yan. Nakita natin na maybe na-acknowledge mo na or alam mo yung emotion mo para sa kanya pero sa ngayon hindi kasi ito yung main focus mo, hindi ito yung priority mo. Okay? May nakikita ako dito na has something to do with the child. So if you do have a child or anak, like maybe a teenage child, maybe may mga malaman ka regarding dito or may mga problem ka regarding dito. But I can see the word support. So, whatever this problem is, kailangan mong suportahan. Yeah, some of you has something to do with child. Parang kailangan mong I can see the word settlement. So, makipag-ayos, pag-usapan yung maybe problem regarding a child. So, what is this person's emotions towards you? Anong emotion niya para sa'yo? On the table is here. So, offer, proposal, commitment, and you do have your pretending. So, nakikita natin gusto niyang mag-offer ng commitment sa'yo, but tell me about this. What's on the table? Yeah, you could be dealing with your twin flame. So, some of you, kung ikaw ay may ka-connect and you know that this is your twin flame, gusto niya mag-offer ng commitment sa'yo. Okay, this particular card ay particularly sa mga twin flame. So, some of you, if you're dealing with the twin flame, gusto niya mag-offer ng commitment sa'yo, gusto niya makipag-reconcile, come together is here. Yan, gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Gusto niya there's definitely a spiritual connection, so mahal ka niya. Okay, mahal ka nitong taong to. This person, lumalabas ka sa kanyang dreams, pero tinedeny niya yon or hindi niya masyadong pinapansin, but of course, pansin na pansin niya yon. Pretending is here, so tell me about this. Para sa inyo na hindi naman, wala namang connection na twin flame or what, itong person na ito is not being honest with you. Nakita there's children here, pero this could be a third party situation regarding someone na mas bata. And I feel like ito yung nagiging dahilan ng divorce or paghihiwalay or, pagkakagulo. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? Dalawa yung energy ng person, guys, na kakonect mo. So, some of you could be dealing with your twin flame or you could be dealing with someone else na parang hindi okay ka-connect. Anyway, what will happen in the future for you, both of you? You do have your threatened, alien, grip, and plug. In the near future for Libra, please. Bounty, Hunter, Love Affair, Realization, and Archangel Michael. Bottom of the deck is the Fate Access Granted. So, I feel like in the near future, may mga malalaman ka dito sa person na ito. Magsimula tayo dun sa sa hindi spiritual connection, hindi twin flame whatsoever, okay? In the near future, mapapagod, yung iba pagod na, so I can see that medyo malulungkot or masasaktan ka because you would feel like dahil sa mga ginagawa nito person na ito, you will feel ugly. So, kung if this is an ex, pakiramdam mo, ang pangit mo, hindi ako okay, ganito, ganyan, kasi bakit niya nagawa yun, ganito, ganyan. And, this would make you feel mahirapan or nasasaktan. So, maybe there's a third party na involved sa connection that you would learn about this third party situation. Yung iba, kung alam mo na yung tungkol sa third party, medyo may feeling na parang hindi mo gusto yung sarili mo kasi nakukumpara mo yung sarili mo doon sa third party, and it would hurt you a lot, especially kung itong third party nito is medyo mas bata, medyo mas fresh, etc. And but you are actually protected by your angel guides. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka pa rin nila ng, maybe this is a lesson for you na kailangan mo ng i-let go or tapusin or what. Kumbaga, tinutulungan ka pa rin nila na makita mo yung totoo for you, na hindi ka na maloko pa. Parang gano'n. Nakita nga pala ako ng kasoy. I don't know if you really do like kasoy. So, yeah. Yun, marami kang malalaman dito sa person na ito pa. And for those of you dealing with your twin flame, I feel like maghahabol siya in the near future for you. Even though, yung iba sa inyo, pwede may kakonect ka ng iba or may karelasyon ka or what, maghahabol itong taong ito sa'yo. Pero yung iba, pwedeng hindi mo ipakita yung sarili mo or you would feel like hindi niya magugustuhan. So, you will be, tatakbo or hindi rin masyado makikipag-connect dito sa person na to kasi you don't feel look good about yourself. Medyo mahirap para sa'yo kasi there's a connection. Definitely a strong connection sa inyong dalawa. Pero itong person na to kasi may mga marirealize siya sa'yo na magiging reason kung bakit parang hahabulin ka niya. Maghahabol siya. Tell me about this. And there's this love. Yeah, synchronicities is here. So, yung synchronicities na ito ay could be angel number na nagpapakita sa'yo. And, yeah, you could be dealing with your twin flame, your soulmate. And yung iba sa inyo, if there's a third party na involved, kung sa side niya yun, ikaw yung rason kung bakit hindi nag-workout yung connection nila. So, kaya siya maghabol sa'yo because this person is parang i-end ko yung connection ko sa person na ito kasi hindi, gusto ko nang umalis. The escapade is here. I want to get out of this relationship and I want to have you. Ganun yung energy. And TikTok is here, pero ang nagpapakita sa aking card is yung nasa likod. I don't know why. It's just that, ayan siya, pero mas nagpapakita sa akin is yung color, which is parang pag-aagaw ng dilim sa liwanag, and that is showing to me as a twin flame connection, yin and yang. So, eto rin, nagpakita rin sa akin itong nasa likod mismo, which is the situation card. Makikita mo there's a beautiful picture of two people here na nagkakaroon ng union, and I can see union sa inyong dalawa nitong person na ito. Pero actually yung union kasi is depende rin sa'yo kung tatakbuhan mo ba or lalayuan mo ba itong pagbabalik nitong person na ito. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and please do comment down below. And dito ko na lang po i-end yung reading, and bye-bye.